Hi there folks, this is to solve YouTube videos freezing up on the Hisense TV, smart TV. When you're watching YouTube, the videos freeze. Usually you have to turn off YouTube and then watch it again and it freezes again, and then sometimes the TV just goes crashes and you have to turn the TV off at the wall and start all over again, and this keeps happening. Well, this I think will solve the problem. It seems to have solved the problem with my Hisense smart TV. So basically, so you go into the home switch, go into settings, go into system. So then you got go to application. Settings. Okay, so you've chosen the application settings, and now you've got it's saying any view stream, and you want to deactivate that. So basically you're going to press OK to deactivate it. Okay, deactivated. So now that is deactivated. It should work now. So YouTube should work. It should play okay, the videos now. Basically, yeah. So it's in video. It's in application settings, and you deactivate the streaming basically, and that should solve your problem.